Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5 continues the brand's push into the global compact SUV market, combining cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and efficient performance. As one of Chery's most stylish and high-tech offerings, the new Omoda 5 aims to compete with models like the Toyota Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, and Hyundai Kona. Exterior design, bold and modern. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5 features a futuristic and sporty design, highlighted by aggressive front grille with a frameless design, giving it a premium and dynamic look. Slim LED headlights and DRLs, enhancing its modern appeal. Aerodynamic body lines for a sleek and stylish profile. Dual-tone paint options and a floating roof design for a more youthful touch. 18-inch alloy wheels and a sporty rear spoiler to complete its athletic stance. Interior, luxury meets technology. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Omoda 5 boasts a premium and high-tech cabin, offering 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.25-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control system, and AI-powered assistance for convenience. Wireless charging and USB-C ports for easy device connectivity. High-quality leatherette seats with ambient lighting to enhance the luxury feel. Panoramic sunroof for a more open and airy cabin experience. Performance and powertrain options. The 2025 Omoda 5 offers multiple efficient and dynamic engine choices. 1.5L turbocharged engine. Power, 154 HP. Transmission, CVT automatic. Fuel efficiency, 6.5L/100 km estimated. 1.6L TGD turbocharged engine, performance variant. Power, 197 HP. Transmission, 7-speed dual clutch, DCT. 0 to 100 km per hour, around 8 seconds. Electric variant, Omoda 5 EV. Expected range, 450 km per charge. Fast charging capability, 80% charge in 30 minutes. Advanced safety features. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5 comes with a comprehensive safety suite, including Level 2 Plus autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, ACC, lane keeping assist, LK, automatic emergency braking, AEB, blind spot monitoring, BSM, 360-degree camera system. Pricing and release date. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5 is expected to launch in early 2025 with a starting price of around $25,000 to $30,000, depending on the variant and market. Final thoughts. The 2025 Chery Omoda 5 is set to be a strong competitor in the compact SUV segment, offering a bold design, high-tech interior, efficient powertrains, and advanced safety features at a competitive price. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.